Is the sound when tapping on your device's keyboard unpleasant? There's a solution for that. In this tutorial, we will show you how to turn off the sound when typing messages on your device. It doesn't matter which version of iOS you have, this option is available on all devices. The first step is to open the settings on your device. Scroll down a bit and you'll find this Sounds and Haptics option. Click on it. It opens a window that offers you many options, but you now need the keyboard feedback option. When you've found it, click on it. It opens a window that provides two options. The first option is sound. You will disable this option if you don't want to hear sounds while typing on the keyboard. The second option is haptic. You will enable this option if you want to receive vibration feedback instead of sound when typing messages. This concludes this simple tutorial. We hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.